Hey guys, to celebrate the Christmas season, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Christmas braided paracord bracelet. So I've got two different colors of paracord here. You'll need about 5 feet of each color. I've got burgundy and olive. It also helps to have a binder clip to hold your bracelet in place while we're working on it. Let's dive right in. So we're going to start by folding one of the cords in half. And I'm going to make a couple snake knots to hold our cord together at the end. To make a snake knot, we're going to cross our right cord around the left one and back to the right side. Then that left cord is going to go behind and down through that left side loop. The knot should look like this before you tighten it down. I want to tighten it just large enough to put our finger through at the end. Now we're going to make one more snake knot, but we're not going to tighten it down. So right cord around the left cord behind the back, and then down through that left loop. So we've got our loosened cord again. Then we're going to take our second color and put it right down through the middle of our snake knot. Now we can tighten that down. Once you get those two snake knots tightened down, we're going to tape our binder clip to our table to keep our project in place. For this weave, I'm going to have the green on the outside and then our original two red cords in the middle. And that'll give us the color pattern that we want. For a 4-strand braid, we're going to start with the right side and bring our green towards the middle over that first red cord. Then on our left side, we've got to start by going underneath the red cord and then over that second green one. So we're going to cross our two middle green strands. And then we'll just keep on going with that pattern. Red over that first green, the left red underneath the first one over the second cord. Let's keep going. So I've made a few more inches of the braid here. And that's now long enough to wrap around my hand where the loop comes into contact with the end of the braid. I've found that the bottom side of this braid actually looks a lot better when I'm tying it, so I'm going to flip it. And now these middle bumps stand out a lot more. I just like the look of that better. So now we're going to end this with a diamond knot or lanyard knot. I'm going to take a binder clip and keep these red ones out of the way while we're working on the green. Now on our green strands, we're going to tie a diamond knot. If you don't know how to do that, we'll link to a video down in the description. So here we've got our untightened diamond knot. And before we tighten that down, I've gone ahead and taken the clamp off of the red. We're going to feed both of those cords just straight up through the middle of the knot. Now we can go ahead and tighten it down. When you've got that knot tightened down right against the bracelet, you can go ahead and cut all 4 of these cords off, and then we're going to melt them down. If you guys like this video and you want to learn more, check out this one where we go over other methods of braiding. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.